Hello everybody and welcome to Teardown Offline, the extra gaming channel, if you will. I wanted to dive back into Teardown and play some of the mods. This mod seems kind of fun. This is by Damas Voxel. Please apologize to those who I'm offending if I'm pronouncing that wrong. This is a skateboard mod. I can shred like never before. Spawn a skateboard and master kickflips, impossibles, and grinds. Hopefully it creates skateboard experience, so it's just skateboard. Yeah, this sounds fun. I want to do this. I want to skateboard, Joe. Tell Callie that I'll meet him on the grind. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that sounded really gay, Callie. I'm sorry. Okay, right, we are here. So where is my skateboard? Hey, I want my skateboard though. Where the hell's my skateboard? Okay, there's a couple things we need to do here. We need to go to active mods. So I still have a jetpack on. I don't think that's gonna help. Whoopsie. Okay, so explain to me where I can spawn a skateboard. I'm very confused. Is it here? I just want a skateboard. Oh, holy shit. This is very I died? What do you mean I died? Right. Oh no. Right, okay, can I go here? Can I restart? I want to get rid of the tornado I accidentally spawned. Okay, right. Now that I understand I need to spawn in the skateboard, this should be a little easier. Okay, I don't play this game, okay? People stop believing me. Alright. Everything's nice and peaceful. Whoa, hell yeah, baby. Ow, my testicles. Actually, no, I think am I a guy or a girl character? I can't remember. I think I'm a girl. That means my fanny flaps. Oh, hell yeah, check out me skateboard, yo. Oh my god, can that stop happening now? That is really annoying. Right, hang on, I hit a wall and I died. You see my pain. Oh, come on, I almost landed it, my dude. That's unfair. What the fuck? Dad, the game broke. Dad, help. Restarting. Wait, how do I, oh, there you go. I can modify shit. Okay, I think I understand how that works now. Let's try that. Okay, well, it did what I wanted it to do, at least. Whoa! Alright, Tony Hawk, calm down. Well, that's just straight up rude. Oh my god, I hate the ragdoll physics on this shit. Give me my goddamn skateboard. But I hit a wall and I lose. Like, that is bonkers. See, that's what I wanted. I just wanted to land. Bro. Alright, let's try this again. Ready? Ready? I can't even jump up some stairs. Right, up the ramp. Oh, up this bit. Up this bit. Come on. Wow, okay. This is bull. You're full of, is there any way I can change the like that, please? Oh my god. The fuck is this? Why do I have a light on now? Right. Disable ragdolling. Yes, please. Thank you, Jesus Christ. I can air roll with the... Okay. Shit might just got a bit sexier. Okay, right. I understand. Okay, now that the ragdolling's over, that's a bit nicer. Now I can just get on with it. Okay, that's more of just a case of I need to learn how to fucking play the game. I can't see anything. That's not helpful. No, oh my god. I'm trying to do something. People, you might be able to see what I'm trying to do here. It's very simple, but this game is very hard. I died, apparently? I can reset. Beautiful. Oh, okay. I'm real big stupid. Oh. Okay, let's go. I've been doing this very wrong my entire time. Damn, okay. What the fuck knuckles is this? It doesn't help that you can phase through. I can't reset. I didn't mean to press this button. And it's gonna stick though. Oh, face plant. The fuck is happening? It won't let me grind on anything. Oh, I almost did it. I almost did it. I almost did it. Steven, I almost grinded on something. Be proud of me. Steven's gay, so he understands. Nah, I fell. Darn, man. This is tricky. That's why I tapped out a circle. You are sus. Oh, wait, no, I should have done this. subscribe. Sorry, I should have done. Alright, so do I have to respawn my skateboard? That's fine if I gotta respawn the skateboard. Right. Do you see what I mean? You just fall. I'm pressing forward. Damn, okay, well, I'll leave this video here. It was just a couple minutes of me playing with the skateboard mod. It's fun. It's gonna be a long time before I can master anything. I don't even know what this video is right now. But the skateboard mod is fun, I guess. It's entertaining. It's just, it's a learning curve, big time. Let me know, if, of course, if you play with the skateboard mod. I want to try different mods, so let me know what other mods are out there, so I can definitely give them a swing. With that being said, though, do hit the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. I do love you all, and I shall see you guys in the next video.